Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. My name is Noel. I'm doing well as usual, and today's video I'm bringing you right from this messy room. I know you guys are wondering what's happening, but yeah guys, I've been quiet because I've been house hunting and now I'm in the process of shifting. So guys, I want to take you through to see how we have packaged our belongings and how we are gonna shift. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You can like, comment, and also share to your family and friends. It's important guys. So let's get into the video. Hola guys, so we can start from the living room, and as you can see, this is how the situation is as at now. So you can see the boxes here, the cartons, everything packaged very well, but not yet sealed because you're waiting for self-tape so that we can be able to do that. But you can see the process is very well. Everything is going on well. So we have other things here not yet packaged. We have other things there, mirror, and then we got other things here. So as you can see, this is how I'm looking guys. So messy the way the house is looking like. But don't worry guys, that's life. Yeah, so you can see the seats we have disorganized so that we can be able to fold them, and then everything will be perfect. And also you can see we've removed the curtains from the windows, and then we've put just random curtains because we wanted to wash them so that when we move to the new house, we move in with new stuff. Yeah guys, so you can see this is the situation as at now guys. The house is so messy, but guys, you understand, if someone is gonna shift, this is how things are. And you can see I have here how do you call a bush of clothes. A bush of clothes guys, so many clothes right here guys. The bag, don't worry, you know, the dust from the wardrobes, don't mind guys. That's how the situation is. Yeah guys, so we are finalizing on packaging guys, as you can see. Yeah, everything is looking messy, but don't worry. You know, let me check and confirm if everything is removed. Check. Oh yeah, I have this one here, I have this one here. Let me put it here. So for the bathroom, what do we have? Okay, let me leave this here because I need to wash it before leaving, just to be cautious. To be courteous. There is difference between being courteous and cautious. So yeah guys, so this is it. The shoes already packed, you can see everywhere guys. So the thing I've realized is that actually we do not have suitcases in this house, so that's the next project I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy some suitcases because this is shame. So guys, the house is dirty as you can see, but don't worry, I don't usually like shifting because of this mess guys. Starting to arrange another house to be so organized the way the other one was is something else. So this is the kitchen part. As you can see, we have utensils here, others not yet packed. So I just want to wash these utensils so that we can go with clean utensils or clean dishes. And also we have an improvised curtain there. The door is just empty, as you can see. Not yet packed cooker. Then we have our chicken here that we had last night for dinner. Let me check if the shelves are empty because I don't want to leave anything behind, because everything is money, and you know the economy is very, very bad. So I don't wanna, sorry, I don't wanna risk leaving anything behind. Yeah, so clear. Let me remove this. Yeah, so the kitchen looks that way. So guys, this house was big. The house was big, the house was cute. So we have other bags packed here. These are clothes. Actually, let me remove so that we can check if we have left anything behind. Okay, let me put this here. So we are in the bedroom. Actually, as you've seen, the wardrobes here. Okay, so let's check if there is anything left behind. So up there, as you can see, there is nothing here. These are the clothes that we will wear, we'll put on or wear while getting away from this place. Then we have our perfumes there. We'll pack them or we'll just pick them when we are ready to go. Then we have our mirror there, dressing mirror. Let me check if there is anything here. Okay, nothing. Let me also check this place. It's empty, guys. It's empty. And then, so guys, this is our bed. Don't laugh, guys, don't laugh. So this is our bed, but one day if God blesses us, we are gonna upgrade. So we are undoing the bed. We are undoing. Comment down below which right word do we say. We're removing the bed. Okay, so that's the bed, and then our mattress there. Then we have our improvised curtain there. That is a bed sheet. And we have our laptop there. We've been watching movies just to keep ourselves busy because we had no sleep anymore. Then we have other heap of clothes here, others here. Then we have the woofer there. We haven't packed yet. So this is the situation at the bedroom area. So guys, this is the situation. This is what's up, guys. So I've been so quiet because this is what has been happening. I've been just looking for a house and trying to shift, guys. So I'll show you the new house and also how it looks like before and after. Yeah, guys, so this is it. Alright, guys, so we've come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so very much for staying put and also watching the entire video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to do so. Subscribe. We are on the road to 1K subscribers, and I haven't forgotten, guys. My promise is, if we hit 1K subscribers soon, guys, I'm gonna treat 5 people. So you could be the one, you never know. So let's do our best. Let's tell our families, let's tell our friends to come and be part of our family. Okay, so guys, let me see you on the next one. Ciao, au revoir.